Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're struggling to come up with the fresh video ideas for your channel, in this tutorial I will show you how to use YouTube Studio itself to discover powerful video ideas and topics by analyzing your traffic sources. Right now I'm in YouTube Studio. I will click on Analytics. On the right top corner you will see Advanced mode. Just click on Advanced mode and then you will see the all your videos. But here under the breakdown you have to select the traffic source. I will click on YouTube search. So these are the all topics which people searched and YouTube showed them my video. Let's say printer offline problem, how to fix. With this particular statement, I got 415 views. So here you will see a lot of search topics which people search on YouTube. Now all you need to do is look for the topics that people search for the most and then create YouTube videos around those trending topics or search term which I just showed you in under the traffic source. This particular section of YouTube Studio will help you out to get the ideas for your new videos, and you can make the videos on these statements and definitely you will get more engagement from your audience. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.